Day 6 in building 100 startups, and for today's problem I had this for a while, managing my assets. I'm currently using Figma and I'm a huge fan of Figma. I usually drag and drop my screenshots, images, everything in one page, and I would like to control them from here to upload them to my website and to my socials. But currently, if I want to upload any of these images, I will need to export the images first, wait a while to get the exported files, and eventually once this moment comes, I'll need to save them to my folder, find the folder, drag and drop them to my tool, and just the whole process takes a while. Because of that, I created a Figma plugin that allows me to copy my files and paste them straight to my socials. For example, I am using a tool called buffer.com, which allows me to post in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram all at once. All I need to do is click Ctrl and V to paste the images, and this will get the images from my Figma to buffer.com. I can also use the same approach to copy and paste the files to my cloud code. With that, I can give it instructions, paste the images to my website, and cloud will take care and upload them. And anything I need with copy and pasting now, I can freely do from Figma. With that, Figma now is my only control board for managing my assets, and I can choose what I want to upload and direct it to the right section. The landing page for the plugin will be soon available on figmabridge.com, and you'll be able to subscribe for early access. For those who put their email, I'll send a follow-up email with instruction how exactly to install this plugin and how to get started. And some technical details, how exactly the plugin works. We have a Python application on our PC which syncs all our Figma assets with a local folder. And once we click the copy to clipboard or click the shortcut Ctrl and C in Figma, we're getting the files from our computer, attaching them to the clipboard, and we can paste them anywhere on our computer. I found this really handy to sync with my DaVinci Resolve as well. Once I start editing, I can see the structure of my Figma, and I can see all my images here, and I can start drag and dropping them as B-rolls or as some extra assets for the video editing process. And of course, Figma also have inbuilt functionality for copying the images to your clipboard and pasting them somewhere else. If you click Ctrl, Shift and C, you will copy the PNGs to your clipboard. But the problem here is, as we try to paste them, let's just say in quote, we only generate one big image which cannot be used in a website or in social media. So because of that, I found the best way is just to create a plugin for solving this problem, and this could be just the start of using Figma as the control board for our process. I tried to further simplify the development process. For the landing page, rather than using Next or React, I simply dropped an HTML page which worked great. It was really fast to develop, fast to deploy in Vercel, and the final result is just to capture emails. Like, if people have interest of the idea, and if that's a real problem, we'll get enough subscriptions there, and we can move on with the next steps for the plugin. As really the productivity now is really important, and power tools as Figma can really allow us to move through a bunch of data, bunch of images quick, and be able to make the right decisions when we make a post or we use an asset.